All right, I'm going to talk to you guys today about picking the right slide for your event. The slide you see behind me is a 24-foot dual lane slide, and one of the most important things that you can do is decide how many people are going to be on your slide and if there's going to be difference in the age groups. One of the biggest ways that somebody can get hurt on a slide is bigger kids sliding into the little kids or something like that. So what you want to do is try to work it to where different age groups, different size groups are using different slides, or in this case using different lanes. So a dual lane slide is a good way to kind of separate the ages, separate the groups. It also is good for larger groups because it moves your players through quicker. And this one has pools at the end. The thing about a pool is that it will slow the rider down because they get into the pool and then they find it difficult to move out of the way and things like that. So keep that in mind as well. If you are looking to get a slide that has a pool, you need to keep in mind that it's going to be a little bit slower than some of the other slides that they can just kind of shoot right off of. So combo units also usually have slides on them that can be on the smaller side. And again, because of the bounce house, it's going to be a little more restrictive to the age. Not so much older teens or adults. Yes, for the smaller kids. So when you're looking at a combo unit, just remember the slides are usually smaller and the bounce house is going to be restrictive, so younger kids. Other than your slip-it slides, the slides are really kind of age specific. You can go up on an age, meaning a smaller kid can go on a bigger slide, but a bigger kid will have a lot of problems going on a little slide simply because it's just not designed for the weight or the length of the slide to catch the kids. So keep that in mind when you're booking your slides and which one you choose. If your kid is daring and can climb the big slides, then go with a bigger slide. That way it'll be a little more broad on who it applies to. But if you get a smaller slide, just remember that the big kids and the adults are not going to be able to play on it. Slip-and slides, 8 and over. Little kids just don't have the ability to run and get the speed going to get down to the end. So I would definitely restrict the age on those. All right, again, smaller slides for the smaller kids. Bigger kids, as you can see, they wouldn't have much fun coming down, and it's just not a lot of room at the bottom. So smaller slides for smaller kids, but you can do the dual lane on the smaller slides, and again, use it to move a lot more kids through. I want to caution you about the pools, especially for the little ones. They find it very, very difficult to traverse those pools and climb in and out, and that just kind of leaves them as a sitting duck. As you can see, no pools here. Makes it a lot easier for them to move through. So really good. All right, that's it for today.